Hello, kamusta kayong lahat dito lang at lahat ng ating mga minamahal na star viewers? Namiss ko po kayo. Pasensya na at itong reading na ito medyo late na. And but I still have to do this for the month of September. No, the reading will be all zodiacs for the month of September. Your good news and bad news. Para naman may alam tayo kung anong mga bad news sa ating buwan ng September or just warning. Huwag naman tayong matakot sa mga bad news. At least aware tayo. And meron din tayong yes or no. Sa mga katanungan natin, and the answer will be yes or no. So, prepare nyo na po later mga katanungan ninyo, and then the answer will be yes or no. And we have here pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. So, as you can see guys, hindi po ito in order ha. You can choose the pile ng inyong sariling zodiac sign or choose the pile whenever you are drawn. Okay? So, before you choose the pile, isipin niyo muna kung ano yung mga good news or bad news para sa inyo sa buwan ng September. So again, huwag tayong matakot sa mga bad news because sometimes bad news is a way for us to, it's a blessing, you know? It's a blessing na minsan we are being saved by the universe. Yeah. So huwag lang tayong matakot sa mga bad news. We have to face it. Okay, so yeah, so ready na kayo? I'm sorry. Alright, dito tayo sa pile number 1. Okay. Start tayo sa bad news, no? Spirit Karen news. Ano yung bad news ng ating pile number 1? Sa Scorpio, Sagittarius, and Cancer. Pile number 1. Ano ang dapat? Okay. Alright, Judgment. And okay. Okay, so guys, you might be wishing about this. Siguro may mga pinapangarap kayo or, I'm sure may mga pangarap tayo, no? But wag lang tayong ma-disappointed, ha? You might be so tired of waiting for this or siguro sa pag-abroad, maybe yung iba sa inyo, isa sa mga wish ninyo na it might not gonna happen, no? Pagpaplano, it could be a wish or pagpaplano na mag-abroad o may pupuntahan kayo. Yeah, it might not gonna happen. So, wag lang tayo magalit o ma-disappoint. Kasi meron ditong sa destination, sa destination ito, yeah, it might, baka kailangan nyo ng pera. Yeah. Yeah, it might involve money sa pupuntahan ninyong destination. It could be pagka-transfer o uuwi, especially kung ikaw ay uuwi, you know, kailangan talaga magtitipid ka sa buwan ng September. Yeah, this is about time to save up your energy and your money. That is your warning or bad news sa yung buwan ng September for the zodiac sign of Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cancer, and Aquarius. Again, if you guys have plan, huwag madismaya kung hindi matuloy. You know, huwag lang natin i-push because sometimes, kasi ito hinihiling ninyo eh. Hinihiling yung makapag-move on, hinihiling yung may mabili or makapunta ng somewhere na it could be abroad, siguro, you know, hindi talaga like I said, hindi natin maiiwasan na ma-disappointed sa mga pagpaplano natin hindi natutuloy. But it's okay. Okay? Yeah. That's alright. Huwag lang tayong magalit kay universe kung hindi man natuloy yung pagpaplano. And to some of you, yeah, iwas-iwasan lang talaga. This is about like money, your finances. It might be too slow when it comes to for the month of September. Yes, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cancer, Aquarius, kailangan talaga mag-ipon. Dahil may darating din naman yan sa tamang panahon, itong pagkaplano ninyo. You just have enough money to save. Okay? Kasi, minsan, there's manan kasing, baka magagamit yung perang itong inipon nyo sa emergency. You know? So, yeah, so wag lang tayo magalit kung mga pagpaplano nyo ay hindi matuloy for the month of September. Yung mga pagkagala, you could be going to somewhere, meeting your friends or family, or pag-shopping, or transferring to a different company for the month of September, this must be not a good time for you na mag-transfer panibagong trabaho. No? Because lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay nag-ipon pa, you didn't have enough money, especially kung ikaw ay may pamilya, wag naman kayo mag-transfer ng ibang trabaho kung wala naman kayong naitaboy yung pera. So, for the month of September, continue what you're doing, And, for the month of September, focus na lang kayo sa inyong pamilya at sa inyong mga anak, lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay may mga anak. Okay? Pile number 1. So, for your good news, what about pile number 1's good news, Spirit Guide Angels? Pile number 1's good news for the month of September. Pile number 1, September. Good news for the month of September. May nag-flip, hindi ko nakita. Okay, pile number 1. Okay, 9 of Cups. Okay. So for you guys, pile number 1, maybe you need to do some more meditation. You need to heal. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, you might be trying your best to heal, or you're still in pain. Nasaktan ka pa siguro, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on sa mga nakaraan. Or something na na-open ka siguro noon, or something na you are trying your best na makapag-move on. For you to be able to move on, the good news for you is try to go to the beach, mag-meditate ka, and focus ka na lang sa mga pangarap mo. And slowly, dahan-dahan mo nang, parang dahan-dahan kang umaakyat, umaakyat sa iyong success. Kailangan mo talaga na magtiwala ka lang sa sarili mo. At kailangan talaga na maging kalmado ka. Kalma lang, iwasang laging magalit. And I'm also getting like, for some reason, pag ikaw ay malapit sa dagat, pile number 1, I'm also getting like a warning. Iwasang magpunta sa malapit sa dagat. Because I'm getting like there's like a high tide. Or babaha. So, wag tayong iwasang maggala, mga kapatid, lalong-lalo na kung may bagyo. Para iwas tayo sa mga pahamak, para hindi tayo mapahamak. So, that's the good news for you. Okay? Stay silent. If you're trying your best to be more solitude, that's okay. Stay at home, especially sa sa bagyo or sa buwan ng ewan ko ba, for some reason September is like a month of may mga storm. So much better stay at home. That's a good news for you because the universe is trying to save you from any warning. Kasi meron itong may magbabaha or babahain yung city. That's also a warning for you for the month of September, pile number 1. And also a good news, kahit na may warning is also a good news, just stay at home, focus ka sa mga minamanifest mo, mag-meditate ka, and continue on praying. Because slowly, people, okay, a good news for you for the month of September, whatever you're manifesting, o pinapangarap mo, especially sa pag-aaral mo, the people you care, sa mga friendship, family members, they are just behind you, backing you up. That's a good news for you. Maraming mga tao, okay, despite everything sa mga pagsubok, pile number 1, yung mga ups and down mo, the universe is letting you know, para maalala mo naman, because siguro, busy ka, marami kang pinag-bibisihan lately. As a reminder, your family and friends, they're just right behind your back. They are backing you up. Andyan sila, sinusuportahan ka nila. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. If you feel like walang nagmamahal sa'yo, walang nag-care sa'yo, no, mali ka. Marami ang nagmamahal sa'yo. Pile number 1. Okay? So, what you need to know before that, yes or no na tayo. Alright, that's a good news for you. Pile number 1. Pile number 1, good news. Yes or no. pause mo lang video and then think about the question and the answer will be yes or no. Mag-isip na kayo ng isasagot, yung itatanong ninyo kay universe at ang sagot will be yes or no. So, pause nyo muna and then isipin nyo muna yung sagot. Okay? So, ready? Pile number 1? Okay, pile number 1, yes or no for the question. Alright, the answer is no. There could be a hidden, siguro may tinatago, or a secret. So, pile number 1, number 18, maybe you are at the age of 18 or something 18, related sa 18 or 3. So, intuition, illusion, dreams, vagueness, instability, deception, anxiety, fear, misconception, subconscious, insecurity. Okay? So, again, wag lang tayo magalit kung no. It's a no, no? Okay, anong dapat mong nalaman? Pile number 1. Alright. Anong dapat malaman ng pile number 1 at this moment, whenever they watch this video for the month of September? Message. You have a heart of gold. So the universe wants you to know you have a heart of gold. Maawain kayo, mapagmahal. Siguro ilang beses na kinasaktan na betrayed. It's because a lot of people, parami talagang mga tao na magagamit. At that's why you tend to, mas pinili mo mag-isa na lang muna. O mapakalaylayo. Kasi hindi mo alam kung itong taong ito ay totoo sa'yo, mahal na mahal ka ba, or honest ba siya sa'yo, especially sa friendship. Because a lot of people betrayed you. You've been there a lot. I'm sorry, guys. What else? Someone wants to be near you. Okay? So, one more final message for you, please. And we have here maybe. So, we have here kanina, di ba? No. And then we also have maybe. Okay. So, final message from your spirit animals, please. Spirit animals, please. Spirit animals. Lizard generation. As a survivor, you are unparalleled. No matter what happens, you can adapt. Embrace your transformation. Put on your new cloak. You are a master of regeneration. So again, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa at huwag kayong, getting like, maybe your problem sometimes ang iyong sarili. Kasi kulang kayo sa confident. But then again, the universe is telling you, kapatid, whenever you go, nafi-fit in ka naman. You just have to remove that. Tanggalin mo yung yung walang confidence sa sarili. Yeah. Okay? Like again, you are a person na kahit saan ka mang lupalop napunta o napadpad, you can fit in everywhere you go. Kailangan mo lang talaga ibalik yung confident mo sarili. Yeah. Huwag mong i-down ang sarili mo, kapatid. Chin up and go. Alright? So, pile number 2. Again, pile number 1, maraming salamat at sana satisfied ka dito sa reading ninyo, pile number 1 for the month of September. Okay, pile number 2. Okay. Spirit guardians, pile number 2 na tayo. Okay, tinanggal ko muna yung ibang mga cards kasi medyo magulo tingnan. Anyway, pile number 2. Ready ka na sa yung good news and bad news? Start muna tayo sa bad news. Ano mga warnings sa'yo for the month of September? Aries, Virgo, Gemini, and Capricorn. Ano mga warnings? Okay, the sun. Tell me about the sun. Warnings. Okay. Siguro, I'm getting the energy here. You might be planning on getting pregnant for you. Pile number 2. Very specific. Hindi naman to para sa lahat, ha? Again, kunin nyo lang, guys, kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Pile number 2. Hindi po ito private reading. General reading po ito. So, meron ditong, maybe you are waiting to get pregnant for the month of September. And, wag lang tayo madismaya. It's a bad news. You might not get pregnant for the month of September. Kasi siguro yung iba sa inyo, you might be waiting, to receive this news. Kung ikaw ay confirm ba na ikaw ay buntis. or maybe you are waiting for this good news. Somehow, kasi the sun is also talking about like new beginning. Okay? So, spirit guidance, what is the new beginning na hindi naman magsasuccess? This is the sun. And ace of swords in reverse. Okay. You might be waiting for a new beginning, or siguro may magsusorry sa'yo. But then again, this person is not going to ask you an offer. Okay? An offer of apology or offer of something. You know? But then again, yung iba naman sa inyo, bad news or warning, you're not gonna get pregnant for the month of September. At yung iba naman sa inyo, for the month of September, pile number 2, Aries, Virgo, Gemini, Capricorn, the person on your mind, or siguro you are looking forward for this good news or new beginning, is not gonna happen. Maybe specifically sa person, you know, or there could be a problem that's gonna happen about money related, no? Siguro may mangungutang, so be aware for the month of course, ano talaga to, no? Magiging bad news talaga, no? Pagkasunod-sunod yung mangungutang sa'yo for the month of September. So, yeah, expect this, that is going to happen, that this person or multiple people ang lalapit sa'yo para hingin ng tulong. Okay? And it's okay na mag-no ka muna if ever na wala kang may tulong na para sa kanila. And especially, you might be, or someone might going to ask you sorry, or baka may magbabalik, and or may gusto kang kausapin, or may mag-reach out sa'yo, and it might be a bad news for you. Whoever it is, it could be a person na hihingi ng sorry or mangungutang sa'yo. No. Okay. So, that's a bad news for you for the month of September. And that's, hingi tayo sa good news. So, again, kunin nyo lang guys kung saan ka nakaka-relate, ha? Speaker, ano yung good news naman ng file number 2? Good news for the month of September. Okay, 5 of Cups. Okay. Tell me more about good news for file number 2. 5 of Cups. The Wheel of Fortune. Okay. 4 of Wands. Okay, 4 of Wands. There's like a celebration, no, sa inyo. Good news. Okay? So, dahan-dahan lang. Kasi I'm getting the energy of, for the month of September, wag lang tayo magmamadali. If there's any, kung may pupuntahan kang party na hindi ka komportable, then wag kayong pumunta. Okay? Baka magkakaroon lang ng gulo or bangayan sa party na ito, and it save you. Ito ay sinisave ka ng universe if this is related sa party. So, yeah. Parang warning na rin siya, ano? Guys, follow your intuition for the month of September. Kasi meron ditong your intuition will be so strong. File number 2. Malakas ang inyong intuition. Kung may nag-invite sa inyo ng party, or kalitwa, ano ba yung tawag doon? Kaliwat ka ng party, yung iba sa inyo dito, okay? Dahan-dahan naman, no? Sa mga party at saka sa inuman. Because, baka madala kayo ng emosyon. I'm getting like, ano ba yan? Parang, instead of good news, kasi marami kayong celebration na pupuntahan, yes, good news. File number 2, marami mga events na pupuntahan ninyo. Party, kaliwat ka ng party, celebration, reunion. But then again, you have to be careful, mag-ingat kayo sa mga party kasi meron ditong, baka nasubrahan kayo sa inuman, or sa kainan, and then yun, magsusuka ka, you're not feeling well. So it's also a warning for you. File number 2. Mag-ingat-ingat when you go to the party. And if you don't feel like going to another party, follow your intuition. You know? Kasi, a good news for you, there's another opportunity to go to instead of in that meeting these people, no? Na you're not comfortable. Yeah. Kasi meron ka mga choices na pagpupuntahan. You can go to someone's house, you can go to a party like or a mall or do something different. You have a chance or pile number 2, you have this completion, achievement. Meron mga achievement dito to celebrate. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, it's time to celebrate pile number 2. Whatever it is, this is, I'm getting like someone not coming home. Baka a family member is coming home. And this is the right time for you to celebrate for the month of September. That's a good news. Okay? Yeah. So, pile number 3 naman tayo. Oh, you know what? Yes or no na muna pala. Sorry, nagmamadali ang lola. Alright. Spirit ka rin, yes or no for pile number 2. Okay, pause mo na yung video and think of a question and the answer will be yes or no. Spirit ka rin, yes. Yes or no sa ating pile number 2. So again, guys, if you don't feel like going to somewhere or meeting somebody, you don't have to go. Baka ma-offend lang kayo or hindi lang kayo mag-enjoy sa isang party. It's also a warning for you, no? Okay. Again, follow your intuition. Because I'm getting like month of September, your intuition will be getting more stronger. Mas maging malakas ang inyong intuition, ang tug ninyo. Alright, yes or no sa ating pile number 2, Spirit Guardians? Okay, no. Sadness, loss, griefs, despair, abandonment, guilt, remorse, regret, trauma, bereavement, mourning, heartbreak, unwelcome change, emotional stability, instability, focusing on loss. So, yeah, so, alright, guys, if you are going, kung pupunta kayo sa isang party, follow your intuition. Because somebody, you know, like, kasi minsan, pupunta ka sa party, or may mag-invite sa'yo, hindi ka naman happy kung sino itong mga tao makakasalamuha mo. Then you don't have to force yourself. Wag niyong wag mong, you don't have to force yourself to go to a party na hindi ka naman maging masaya. Then better, stay at home ka na lang muna. No? Or maybe you will be regretting it. Don't do something, wag kayong gumawa ng bagay na hindi naman, makapagpapasaya sa iyo or soon you'll be regretting it. Okay? Or you might be, baka sa huli, magsisisi ka lang o pagsisihan mo lang. Okay. Alright. What you need to know, pile number 2. Spirit ka rin, just what you need to know, pile number 2. Okay. Someone wants to come to you and, for a loan but can't pay you in the end. Wow. Guys, again, as a warning, may lalapit sa'yo, mangungutang, but this person is not going to pay you back. So be careful. Nasabi ko na yan kanina sa bad news. Warning. What else, Spirit Angels? Anong dapat lang malaman? Pile number 2, please, for the month of September. Someone doesn't want you to see you to become successful and happy. Ito yun naman yung mga plastic na mga tao, mga fake people. Again, guys, you don't have to be around with these people. Huwag kayong makipaghalubilo sa mga taong ito. Kung alam mo mismo na hindi naman sila masaya para sa'yo, mga plastic lang ang peg. Okay? Final message for pile number 2, please. Final message for pile number 2. Good luck. Good luck for you, pile number 2, for the month of September. Whatever it is, huwag tayo mag-focus sa mga negatibong bagay because for the month of September, you will be, this will be your one of the luckiest month for the month of September. Okay? Alright, final message from your spirit animals. Spirit ka rin just for the month of September ng ating Aries, Virgo, Gemini, Capricorn. Message, please. Help. Nobility. Celebrate your accomplishment with humility. You are crowned with success. Hold on, ano ba yan? Nakapag-birth. Powerful forces guide you. Your ability to conquer challenges is limitless. So again, you guys are like a king and queen, emperor, the empress. You have this power to like a president or a leader type. Do not let this these challenges, to hold you. Huwag niyong hayaan itong mga tao o mga pangyayari na you can't make it to the top because you can. Magagawa mong maakyat itong bundok despite of everything. Lakasan mo ang iyong loob, pile number 2, because you are born as a noble or a person that becoming more success for the month of September. Okay? So don't be afraid. Yeah. Magtiwala ka lang sa sarili mo. You are being guided. You can conquer all the challenge. You can get through all these challenges. Like not just being alone with the people around you. Okay? Kasi meron tong dalawa, It could be your partner or a parent or family member or friends. Yeah. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang, pile number 2. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. I love you guys. Pile number 2, Capricorn, Aries, Gemini, and Virgo. Okay. So, move on na tayo sa ating final pile. So, hello, pile number 3, Libra, Pisces, Leo, and Taurus. So, start na tayo sa ating bad news for the month of September. Kamusta kayo? Sana kayo ay okay. Again, this is general reading. Kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi naman, wag lang tayong bigyan. Spirit guides, ano ang ganap or bad news warning ng ating pile number 3 sa buwan ng September? Warning. What is all about? Warning. Okay. 9 of Swords. Talaga binilang ko pa yung swords eh. 9 of Swords, anxiety, fear. Okay, what are your fears about? What is bad news? Okay, for the month of 3, For the month of September, pile number 3, you might be getting all of this anxiety, burden, or fear, mga takot. Guys, bago tayo matulog, para hindi tayo magkakaroon ng mga bad dreams, always pray. Itong mga takot mo, anxiety, nahirapan ka makatulog, manalangin. Parang hindi tayo magkakaroon ng bad news sa iyong bad news or bad dreams for the month of September. What is this 9 of Swords about? Spirit guidance? Bad news? Yeah, you might be getting a bad dreams for the month of September. Baka for the month of September, makakaroon kayo ng, yung magigising ka na lang na bigla kang naiiyak. O natatakot ka. Natakot kang bumalik matulog is because of this dream. Kaya ka nagkakaroon ng bad dreams. Pile number 3 is because of all of your emotion. Lahat ano ba yung tawag doon? Nagpa-pile up na lahat ng mga emotions mo. Kaya nagkakaroon ka o naapektuhan yung tulog mo. Itong mga bad dreams or nahirapan ka makatulog for the month of September. So, ingatan. Iwasang mag-isip ng mga takot o mga palaisipan na siyang magdudulot sa iyo ng kulang sa tulog dahil napapasobra ka sa pag-iisip, overthinking, overanalyzing, kaya tuloy naunahan ka ng takot, naapektuhan yung tulog ninyo. Okay? Yeah. Judgment. We have here judgment. Baka merong kakarmahin for the month of September. Yung iba sa inyo dito. Maybe this is like a judgment. Maybe this is the right time for you to reflect. Okay? Bakit ba nangyari itong mga hindi magandang pangyayari for you? Bakit Ano tawag? Ano ba yan? Ay nako, pasensya na ha. Medyo nahirapan itong dila ko. Nakagat ko kasi noong nakarang araw. Kaya nasugatan yung dila ko. Anyway, yeah, siguro pile number 3, magkakaroon kayo ng mga experience na hindi magandang experience, and that lead you to have this feeling of fear, takot, guilty, anxiety, kulang sa tulog. Yeah, maapektuhan yung tulog mo is because of your emotions. But then again, for the month of September, this is like about karma. The universe wants you to awaken you. or they're awakening you about this karma, guilt. Ano nagawa mong hindi maganda? Pile number 3. This is the time for you to realize. Humingi ka ng pagpapatawad, lalo na sa Panginoon, mag-pray ka palagi. Maybe nakakalimutan mo na manalangin, especially sa mga taong nananakit sa'yo. Leave everything behind to the universe. Ipanalangin mo ang lahat ng ito kay universe, sa mga spirit team mo. Okay? Yeah. And you need to, because, like again, it's not because kasi meron tayong mga mga pagsubok. Lahat ng mga pagsubok ng ito, may mga good and bad. Okay? Good. Yeah. It's a good thing para may ma-realize tayo. It's bad thing kasi minsan, wala pa tayong natutunan. And the universe is telling you, it's time to wake up, pile number 3. It's time to say sorry sa mga taong nasaktan mo. It's time to think about good things. No? This is like a karma thing, warning for you. It's not because you are having this mga kamalasan, because the universe is like trying to awaken you. Hinigising ka ni universe. It's time to realize, pag-isipin mong maayos, ano ang yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin. Na hindi mo dapat na ignorin na lang. O ipagsawalang bahala na lang. Okay? Kasi meron itong, for you, it might be a bad news for this karma. The universe just wants you to have this realization. Pile number 3. Okay? What else? Okay. So, pile number 3. But then again, guys, para iwasan natin magkaroon ng mga bad dreams, control your emotions. Manalangin palagi bago matulog. Para hindi tayo magkaroon ng bad dreams. You know? So, what's good news for you for the month of September? Pile number 3. Good news naman for the month of September. Okay, 10 of Cups and 6 of Cups. Okay. So, good news, guys. It's time, okay? There will be like more gathering as a family, spending time with your friends or loved ones. Yeah, that's a good news for you. Okay, pile number 3. And kung nagkakaroon ka ng kulang sa oras, and this is the right time for you to put some effort naman. Mag-effort naman kayo sa pamilya ninyo, no? Sa mahal niyo sa buhay. Hindi lang yung focus kayo sa trabaho or sa mga ibang bagay or sa pag-aaral, no? So, pile number 3, good news. There will be like completeness when it comes to your family. Happy family, spending time with the family, kahit simpleng buhay lang, that's all right. Because it's showing you, kasi sa atin, in this lifetime, family is the number 1. No? Nothing else. Pamilya talaga. So that's a good news for you. Happy family, everything is well when it comes to you and your family and your children. Okay? And friendship din. Yeah. And continue on your manifestation. Yeah. Siguro minamanifest mo itong happy family and it's working. Yeah. Pile number 3. So what else? Okay. Yes or no na tayo. Pile number 3. Okay. So more on gathering when it comes to family and relationship. This could be like a past friendship. May mag-reunion siguro sa inyo. Somebody's coming back for September. Or siguro someone is going to talk to you for the month of September. An old friend. Okay? Or may magliligaw. I'm also getting like, maybe someone is going to ask you for a date. Or ask you to go out. Or may mag-confess for the month of September. Alright, what else? Yes or no na tayo? Guys, pause niyo muna yung video and the answer will be, tanong nyo muna yung itatanong nyo kay universe. And the answer will be yes or no. Alright, spirit ka rin just yes or no for pile number 3. Pile number 3, yes or no. Okay, the answer is no. Isolation, feeling trapped, restricted, backed into a corner, hand-tied, victimized, paralyzed by fear, terror, anxiety, feeling pressure, hopeless, helpless, powerless, silence, crisis. So again, this could be your warning, yung mga isolation. Maybe kaya nga siguro, stuck ka muna sa bahay, you're spending more time in your own bedroom, natutulog, or umiiyak because you are stuck in this, siguro hindi ka masaya sa, ano ba yan? Siguro meron ditong kakakain lang at laging burp ng burp. Ikaw siguro to. Kanina pa ako burp ng burp. File number 3. Ay, nako, dighay ako ng dighay, file number 3. Siguro meron sa inyo itong busog na busog while watching this video. And ako na mismo ang nag-burp sa iyo. File number 3. So we have here number 24. It could be number 24 or 8. Maybe something about related sa 8. So again, you are feeling trapped. Maybe you might be feeling trapped for the month of September. Maybe you might be happy sa trabaho mo o sa kinaroroonan mo. Or, I'm also getting like, maybe you are feeling like homesick. May nang-homesick sa inyo. Again, if you are close, kung malapit kayo sa bahay ninyo, like kahit na may distance, then it's time for you to go home and be with your family. Kung feeling worries ka, siguro sa bagyo, or not happy sa iyong trabaho, sa finances, if you guys are not feeling happy, kasi minsan, most likely talaga hindi siya minsan, spending time with your family and friends, they are stress reliever. Para maiwasan itong feeling trapped, takot, or selfless, no? Feeling victim, feel free to open up your feelings sa family members ninyo, sa partner ninyo, or sa mga anak ninyo, or friends. So we have here, no. Okay, anong dapat mong malaman? File number 3, Libra, Pisces, Leo for the month of Taurus for the month of September. What you need to know, Spirit Guardians? Okay. Guys, umuwi kayo ng bahay if you want to, kung hindi ka masaya, sa kinaroroonan mo. Because the universe is trying to help you out in this matter para maiwasan itong mga stuck, feeling helpless. You need people, you need a friendship, you need to be around with your family members. Open up with them, spending time with them para hindi ka ma-focus sa mga problema, sa kakaisip ng problema. Alright. Your soulmate is thinking about you. Okay, siguro yung iba sa inyo, maybe this part of your overthinking, napapaisip kayo sa gabi or nananaginip ka sa... Minsan kasi guys, pagka nananaginip tayo ng isang tao pagka nananaginip tayo sa isang tao, they could be thinking about you. Maybe you are getting their energy thinking about you. This could be your soulmate thinking about you. What else, Spirit Guardians? What you need to know? File number 2, what you need to hear. Someone wants to call or text you or PM you. So you will be getting a call or a phone call from your, it could be a soulmate related. Okay. Or, for the month of September. I'm getting like, you might be getting like a call from somebody na hindi mo na-expect. And this will give you like anxiety, takot, or siguro magulat ka sa news na ito for the month of September. What else, Spirit Angels? Final message. Okay, let go of something that doesn't make you happy. So again, tanggalin nyo na itong mga overthinking, overanalyzing, yung mga stranded ka, na stuck ka sa mga negatibong palaisipan. Let go and let God, kapatid. File number 3. Okay. Chinicheer up ka ni universe for your month of September. What else, Spirit Angels? Final message ng ating file number 3, please. File number 3. Okay. Elephant, greatness, love is your strength, leadership is your path. Your wisdom inspires everyone you meet. You can overcome any problem. You will naturally and easily achieve success. Yeah, so marami siguro mga taong naiinggit sa iyo, ano? And do not let these people, parang kaparehas lang din ng pile number 2, ang pile number 3. You are a great leader. You are born to be successful. So, whoever you meet, pile number 3, na-inspired sila sa iyo. And kaya siguro, instead na ma-inspired sila sa iyo, kaya lang yung ibang mga tao naman ay naiinggit. So, do not mind those people. Wag mo silang isipin. Inggit lang yung mga to instead of ma-inspire sila sa'yo. Because the universe says you deserve this. Okay? And, yeah, so iwasan mong isipin ang mga or overthinking about sa problema o sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Because most likely, mga taong ito ay inggit lamang instead of ma-inspired sa'yo. Pile number 3. So, hanggang dito na lang, pile number 3. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito for your month of September. Good news and bad news. Alright? So, I hope to see you guys in my next reading on all of you here. Kasi meron ditong lahat ng pile, 1, 2, 3, pinanood na. Maraming salamat sa oras na binigay mo dito, kapatid. At sa pagtutok mo sa aking any of my tarot reading videos, The Star Talking Tarot. I love you guys. God bless you all at mag-ingat po kayo palagi. See you guys next time on my next reading. Bye!